Here's a look inside. We've got our rear mounting panel. There's our rail system, can be to the left, to the right, left, right. You get the point. Adjustable mounting depth. Got our front intake fan, which is got a filter on the outside here that's cleanable, removable. Lots of cable management. And we'll be talking about the cable management here, but we've got these very simple concepts, these little cable management pucks. Sorry, I got gloves on because this finish attracts fingerprints like nobody's business. So basically, these will stick up here, and then you just kind of mount your cable into that, and you can move these around and put them on the side, whatever you want. That's what we're using for one of our cable management strategies. Yeah. Vertical mounting. In fact, where did I put that switch? Right here. So here's a standard 19-inch rack mount switch. So you could have it go in here like this. And that just would mount in there just like that. So that's our vertical mount, and you have 9U of that type of mount. And then here's your 10-inch rails here. So let me take that out. And we'll do a more formal video of this. I'm just passing time here at the shop, trying to work a few things out. But then you would have a shelf like this, or if you had rack mount devices, this is 10-inch wide. But if you even had a narrower, like let's say a 6-inch, all you have to do is take one of these rails, move it in, and now you have extra U of vertical mounting space. In fact, we're going to make a shelf that is 1U skinnier here, so that you can have essentially 7-inch mounting plus 4U of the vertical 19-inch rack mount. Anyway, let me know what you think. Talk to you later.